Today I'm diving into Paparazzi Accessories, the company known for its $5 jewelry and massive network of independent consultants. Right off the bat, the website is flashy, colorful, and clearly aimed at people who enjoy vibrant costume jewelry on a budget. The homepage is crowded with promotions and featured items, but it can feel a little overwhelming, especially for a first-time visitor. Navigation is straightforward enough, but the product pages sometimes load slowly and don't always have the most accurate descriptions. When you actually start browsing the jewelry, you'll see a huge range: necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings, all priced at $5. The photos look polished, but the actual product quality is hit or miss. Some items look pretty good for the price, while others feel cheaply made, with lightweight materials that can tarnish or break quickly. From a customer standpoint, it's decent if you just want something fun and affordable, but don't expect high-end craftsmanship. Shipping is another area that could use improvement. Orders can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks to arrive, and tracking updates are inconsistent. Customer support exists, but response times vary greatly depending on whether you're a customer or a consultant. Now let's talk about the business side, because Paparazzi Accessories isn't just a jewelry store. It's a multi-level marketing (MLM) company. That means most of the sales are made by independent consultants, who purchase inventory up front and resell it. Consultants are also encouraged to recruit others into the business to earn commissions. The company provides starter kits ranging from $99 to over $400, each including a set number of pieces and business materials. While it may seem like an exciting opportunity at first, it's important to look at the numbers. Consultants are required to maintain monthly purchases to stay active, and for many, the cost of buying and storing inventory outweighs the profit. It's also common to see consultants trying to offload unsold items during live Facebook sales or flash clearances. For some people, especially those who are great at marketing and building an online presence, there might be a path to modest success. But for most, it becomes an expensive hobby rather than a profitable business. Many useful links you can find in the description. On the community side, there's a strong, almost cult-like support network among consultants, which can be both motivating and misleading. Training is mostly informal, relying heavily on upline mentors and peer-led Facebook groups. Paparazzi claims you're your own boss, but the business model heavily incentivizes recruitment and ongoing purchases, which raises questions about sustainability. As for ethics, there have been complaints in the past about how the company handles criticism and concerns, especially around product sourcing and the actual value of the jewelry. Some former consultants have reported pressure to keep spending or fear being shut out of team groups if they express doubts. Overall, Paparazzi Accessories can be fun if you're just shopping for inexpensive fashion jewelry. But as a business opportunity, it's risky and not nearly as simple as it's made out to be. If you're considering joining, go in with your eyes open, set a budget, and don't expect easy money. And if you're just shopping, be selective and manage your expectations regarding quality. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your experience in the comments.